Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another product that I'm disappointed about. I buy a lot of sling bags, crossbody bags, whatever you want to call it, fanny packs, but I keep getting back to this one. This is actually more or less perfect. I don't like it that it's Adidas, sorry to say, and I would like to have a quick release on both sides, but otherwise it's perfect. The padded strap and the pockets, and it is actually really good. But then I saw this at Nike. It's only called Nike Sportswear RPM, and I don't know what RPM stands for when it comes to Nike. If you know, let me know. And it looks cool, but with the pictures on Nike's site, it looks a lot bigger. So I got really disappointed. But let me show you the pockets and what it looks like, and then what it looks like on me, because it has sort of a special solution. So as I said, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, so I thought I was going to have my small pocket knife and safety pin hanging on the front like this. But as you see, it's longer. So yeah, that was mostly what I was disappointed about. So in the front we have these straps that are not elastic, where you can hang things, keys maybe. This is a really small knife, shorter than a pen, so you will not have a pen hanging there. So in the front we have a pocket, sort of filled. Then we have the main pocket that's open quite a lot, and inside that we have a mesh pocket. We have some more straps on the sides where I thought I could have like a baton. What is the English word for that? Stick. But no. Then on the sides we also have more pockets that are used velcroed. On the inside, on one side, we have a pocket with a zipper, really small one. Nothing on the other side, I don't know why, and another velcro pocket. We have a handle, which I really liked. That's something that this one missed. But the handle is also a bit too small, but at least there is a handle. On the back side, we have this pocket that goes straight through. And I don't know, you are maybe supposed to have a water bottle there, but if they would just have zippers on the side, that would make it a lot more usable, because then you would have another compartment, another pocket that you could have stuff in. So why not just put zippers on both sides, and if you want to use it for having a bottle, just have the both zippers open. I have another bum bag like that. And then on the underside, we have these two that can also be used for a water bottle or hanging like a sweatshirt or light jacket or something. So the IDs are cool. It could be better, could be bigger. The pockets on the inside should have zippers, and the handle should be bigger. And then you can carry it like this. I'm pretty sure that the strap is as long as it can be, so you wear it like this, and we have sort of, no, this is not a quick release, but you can remove it, but it's not quick release in any way. And then you can have it around your waist, they really should have some kind of quick release instead. So around the waist, like this, but the model on the side wore them both on the same time. I don't remember if it had it like this maybe. Yeah, I think I had it like this. To me this looks silly, but if you're out hiking or something and you don't want it to bounce on your body, I guess this is good because you can really tighten it both ways. But to me it should have been bigger. I'm gonna put my stuff in it just to see if they fit and wear it for a couple of days, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going back to this one again. All right, I will absolutely not use this bag. This is what it looks like when it's filled, and it did fit all the things from this, but I'm gonna show you my daily essentials one more time and show you how much it fits, because it's really filled now. And keep in mind, all these things fits nicely in this one with no need of hanging outside. So let me show you what I fit in it. I'm really certain that I will never use this. So let's start with one thing that I don't usually wear, and that's this one. I just want to find a purpose for that compartment. And then we have the facial mask. I might as well just put my all the things in my old bag, so you will see how well it fits there. This is usually always in my pocket. Safety pen, tool. I have small bits in it. This knife, that is one of my favorites, that is always in my bag. Multi-tool in the big compartment. Charging cable. In the inner pocket we have keys. In the outer pocket I think I used to have paper napkins, yeah, and rubber gloves. Nothing else there. The other one, I'm pretty sure I have hand sanitizer, yes. In the outer pocket I have the essentials I want to get to fast. A bunch of earplugs. I have sensitive hearing. A tile tracker. A zip tie. I usually have a longer one with me. This is just a key ring. And then we have hand sanitizer, shoe shame to wash my shoes and to wash my glasses. The big pocket we have hand cream to wipe my glasses, beard brush, chewing gum, power bank that I usually have in the outer pocket, a very small walking cane, headphones, my selfie stick that I really like a lot because it is also a tripod, charger, and in the inner pocket that I have on the inner pocket here, we have for headache, nose spray. Let me put them in the right place right away. Allergy pills I need to fill up. Put it right here. My cards. Some cash, some more allergy pills, more head plugs, acute allergy pills, eye drops, and that's it. I usually lay them around so they lay better, so it's more flat. Now I used, as you saw, I just threw it all in. But this size, I really do like this size. And this, it was a cool idea, but no, it's not for me. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. If you want it, let me know. I prefer to send it to someone in Sweden. It is cool, it's just not for me. I keep on getting back to this all the time. I like it, but I want something. I could have the exact same thing, just in Jordan brand and with two quick releases. That's it. But this one has served me well. Now I'm gonna rearrange everything again so it lays flat in my bag. But this is my favorite bag. I don't know why I try to find something else all the time. But I like to shop. If you have any questions, let me know. As I said, cool idea, but not for me. If you have a suggestion for me for another sling bag, crossbody bag, let me know, because I'm in the mood for shopping. Thanks for watching. It would be nice if you subscribed and comment. And I would actually like to know, what do you carry daily? Do you have some kind of daily bag? Or is it just me?